Good evening, my name is Harry and we're back again, and I want to look at some 4 and 5 letter words that have the O sound. O has 4 sounds: o, oo, ah, and some of you pilots have had some trouble with these sounds. And so we'll look at the words on and off and drove, grove, clove, move and groove, and love and shove. So we look at the sounds of these words. So let's take a look at the O sound. O. O is the short sound of O. O is the long sound, the second sound. O, sound number 1. O, sound number 2. O, on, off. O, drove, as in a motor car, drove, groove, and clove, clove of garlic. And oo, move, groove. And O, love, and shove, love, shove. See the sound. Now I want to concentrate first of all on the word love, because I know that was a problem for someone. Love. Well, we would spell love with silent E. 3 letters, or 3 sounds, 4 letters. Silent E makes the 4th. So, see the tongue comes up behind the teeth. Now the O's is it's the 4th sound, number 4 of O, and then V. Now see the teeth go on the top lip here, and we just blow out so the lip sort of goes like that, and it comes out here, not here. So love. And then we look at the other word, shove, sound. So it's because the O has the 4th sound of O, which is and other words are mother, brother. Yeah. Anyway, so we want to just look mainly at love. Now the other ones, short sound, on, off, and O, drove, grove, and clove, and oo, move, oo, groove, and love, shove. Well, that's it for the night. Thanks a lot. See ya.
I will tell the melody. I will tell the melody.